weight example I told. Of course, my target is 61. Okay, until 61 weight. So I will do. If still is going down, then I will do some correction because my required weight is 61. I want very lightweight. Enjoy. Okay, that's my requirement. It will go automatically. I'm not required to do anything, man. Only 2 activities. No sugar into the body. And every day before 9, I want to complete my dinner. That's all. No other constraints, no other things. Okay, I will do some walking kind of thing. That's how I will making a phone call. Both activities are going to be completed parallel. Okay, like that. So if you do any activity consistently, then automatically bigger results by default will come into the picture. Best example for me. I just only 1 hour I want to take the session every day. I decided 1 hour. I kept one poster in my room. This 1 hour changes your life. This 1 hour changes your life. I kept one poster. Really, this 1 hour changing my life. So few months before, 3 months or 4 months before, I took this decision. Then automatically we are in the 6th book. We completed Kunatau, we completed Ikigai, we completed Secret, we completed Good to Great, and the Atomic Habits we completed. Now the Psychology of Money 6th book. Assume that if I continue for the next 2 years, some 30 or 40 books, minimum 30 or 40 books or 50 books are going to be there. If I have that much knowledge, then I can do anything, right? So, take very special care. Doing a small activity consistently, if you are going to do that, then no one is going to stop your growth. You will become unstoppable. Sky is the limit. Remember carefully.